Mimi, a fluffy little kitten, loved strawberry milkshakes more than anything. One sunny day, she made her biggest milkshake ever, topped with sprinkles, marshmallows, and a cherry. But when she turned to grab her pink straw, astonished face, the milkshake was gone. With her detective hat and magnifying glass, Mimi searched the garden. She questioned Birdie, Turtle, and Bunny, but none looked guilty. Then, under the table, she found baby brother Momo, with a pink milk mustache. Baby bottle paw prints. Mimi giggled. You drank it, didn't you? Momo nodded. She smiled. Let's make another, this time, together. And so, they did. A milkshake twice as big. And full of love.